lactic acid and acid phosphate, etc. from the muscle. In this way, proper cooling down elevates the muscle stiffness and soreness. Tips for preventing sport injuries. Avoid training when you are tired. Increase your consumption of carbohydrates during period of heavy training. Increase in training should be matched with the increase in resting. Any increase in training load should be preceded by an increase in strengthening. Treat even seemingly minor injuries very carefully to prevent them from becoming a big problem. If you experience pain during training, stop your training session immediately. Never train hard if you are stiff from the previous effort. Pay attention to hydration and nutrition. Use appropriate training surfaces. Training in competition area should be clear of hazards. Equipment should be appropriate and safe to use. Introduce new activities very gradually. Allow a lot of time for warming up and cooling off. Check overtraining and competition courses beforehand. Train on different surfaces using the right footwear. Shower and change your dress immediately after you cool down. Aim for maximum comfort when traveling. Stay away from infectious area when training or competing is very hard. Be extremely fussy about hygiene and hot weather. Monitor daily for sign of fatigue. If in doubt ease off. Have regular sport massage. Management of injuries. Management of soft tissue injuries, bone and joints are mentioned below. Management of soft tissue injuries. We have here two ways. First of all, we have two soft tissue injuries that we have previously discussed, that is abrasion and contusion. Now we'll discuss laceration and incision sprain. Now we'll discuss the methodology to prevent and manage all these diseases one by one. Abrasion. Abrasion is a skin injury. Abrasion usually occurs due to friction with certain equipments or a fall over the area when the bone is very close to the skin in the upper part of the skin. Management of abrasion. First of all, check the affected part with fresh. First of all, clean the affected part with fresh water. Pick out the dead tissues, gravel and debris that might be sticking to the area of abrasion. Use clean water as well as sterilized gauze to wipe up the dirt from the affected part. Do it very gently so that the abrasion does not hurt much. Then dry the affected area with a clean